This is Boots with Cyborg team. Today I got the Magic Refiner MK14 mechanical keyboard. This is a 65% body, RGB backlighting. It's wired, so no wireless functionality, and it's available in white or black. I believe I got the white version despite what this box is showing. 68 keys, has N key rollover, $40 on Amazon shipped. Let's check it out. Got 68 keys, nice picture of what the keyboard looks like. Let's just crack it open. Open it up, looks all right. Yep, definitely got the white version. Got a booklet here. You get a white USB-A to USB-C cable and a plastic keycap puller. Alrighty. Onto the keyboard. All right. Nice design there. Some kind of writing on it. Very, very gamey or gamery fonts there. You see that? Blocky style. Looks good though. I like it. See on the back, you got kick-up feet, Magic Refiner information, and rubber stoppers. And on the top here, your USB-C port is top left mounted. Nice weight on here. It's not a lightweight, it's about a medium weight. And I got the red linear switches. Let's kick up our feet. Let's plug this in. And there's your RGB. Let's cut the lights. There you go. Nice and vibrant. Hit function and page down changes the color. You have several different colors there. So this here will hit function and tab to change our backlighting modes. We'll just cycle through these real fast. It's not the smoothest animation, but it looks pretty nice. Change the color here. You get the idea. So let's pull up one of these keycaps to see which switches they gave us. It says B-Sun, B-Sun switches. I've never heard of that one. B-Sun. All right, B-Suns, let's see how they type. The switches are kind of lightweight there. They seem to actuate like as soon as you give it a little bit of press, but decent typing experience. That space bar is probably the worst I've ever heard. But overall, pretty decent. $40 on Amazon, not too bad. We give this a little bit more time and I'll get back to you guys with a full review. If you have any questions about it though, hit me in the comments. I'll be sure to get back to you. This is Boots, Cyborg team, and I'm gonna wrap this one up. I'm out.